Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the latest MIUI version, the 12.0.2 version, which is available for this Poco X2, and almost all of you have till now received this update. So I would recommend you not to install this update because there are so many bugs here. So in today's video we are just going to talk about that. So let's begin. So as you can see here, the MIUI version here is the latest updated. I have updated to 12.0.2.0 version. So as you can see, many of you must have received this update. So I would like to tell you that just don't update this because there are so many bugs here. Today we are just going to talk about that. So let's just begin. So first of all, as you can see, this is the home screen. Let's just talk about the changes here. I would like to show you that the changelog here is just nothing. The Android security patch level here is updated, and there's some security is improved. So that is it. Nothing is just improved here, and the Mi browser here has been removed. So that is great. The useless apps I have just hidden, and you can now install the Mi Credit app that I have already uninstalled here. And the UI is felt a little bit smoother as compared to previous version. The UI has become a little bit smoother, and there is another update here, like in the landscape mode. When you access the control center here, this is how the control center UI here is now looking. So this is a bit changed here from the previous one. Like the control center here is changed for the landscape mode, and there are some other bugs we'll talk about. So let's just now talk about the bugs. These were the only changes, so that is it. Now let's just talk about the bugs here. So the UI has become very laggy. So this is the issue I am facing. As you are able to see up here, as you can see, that lag I am facing very frequently. Like almost after 2 days I am facing that lag, because I don't know why. That is a bug present here. Like the lag I am facing after every 2 to 3 days. So that has become more frequent after this update. So this is a bit problem here. And then another here, I have just screen record date. So as you can see, that app closing animation lag here, this is lagging a lot, and I am facing this problem a lot after the update. So if you guys are facing this problem, then please guys let me know in the comment section below. Okay, then talking about the another bug here, this is in the dark mode here. This I have just screen recorded. You will be able to see up here. So let's just go to the settings here. I'll just show you that I have enabled the dark mode here. As you can see, the dark mode here is enabled. Okay, now as you can see, the app vault here is still in the white mode. The dark mode has not enabled for the app vault. So this is a bug with app vault here. And as you can see, the gallery app and everything is in the dark mode. So this is a bug present here with the dark mode. Here is another one. As you can see, this issue the half has gone into the dark mode and half into white mode. So these are some small bugs present here, like, and have become very frequent here. This happened when I switch to the normal mode after switching to the dark mode. So this just happens here. Okay, now let's just talk about the another bug. This bug is present with the Google Chrome here. Let's just see to it. Now I open, and as you can see, the screen display just got black here. And as you can see, you will be able to see here, I can open the previous apps and everything, and now the Chrome app just opened. Let's just do this again. As soon as I open, close, and now open, and as you can see, the screen just goes black. As you can see, if you are able to see or not, I don't know, but yeah, this just happens. And as you can see, the back gestures here are just working, and I can go to the previous app, and now when I swipe up, I can go home. So this is also a problem here. Then there's another bug here in the YouTube here. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to the channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. It will help a lot, and we are just very close to 2000 subscribers. So let's just do it. So as soon as I start a video here, okay, and in the landscape mode, you will be able to see the ad, but okay, let's just skip the ad. So as you can see, the video has just started. and okay, it is now working. Now when I just start this video, I fill zoom, and when I just stretch, the zoom to fill here is just not working. As you can see, it's going to original, and as you can see, the zoom to fill here is just not working. Okay, so as you can see, so these are some small bugs present in the YouTube app also. So this was it, and this is also a bug present here, that after turning on the ultra battery saver mode and then turning off immediately, all these app toggles just got disabled. So this is also a bug present here. And then the another bug here I have faced a lot. So as you can see here, the display refresh rate just goes down to 90 fps without even switching it. You don't get the option of 90 fps in this phone, so it just automatically goes to 90 fps after some time of usage, and this is also a problem I am facing here. Okay, so guys, now moving forward to the next bug here. As you can see that I'm tapping how much of times, like this time, okay, this time it just wake up, but now as you can see here, I'm tapping for almost 6 to 7 times and it's still not waking up the screen. So this is also a bug present here. So like sometimes it just happen, and so yeah, this is also a problem here. So guys, then there is also another bug here, that when you just turn on the Wi-Fi here and then immediately just turn off the screen, then the Wi-Fi will just not get connected. Or sometimes it just happen that when you just turn it on and keep your phone aside, then also the Wi-Fi is just not get connected. You have to go to the Wi-Fi option in the settings and then connect to it. So this is also a problem here, and this was in the MIUI 12.0.1.0 also, in the previous version also, and this bug is still not solved. So these are some problems present here. And yeah, then there is another bug. As you can see here, I'm not able to update the Google Chrome app and the Android system web view. So these two apps I'm just not able to update. So these are some bugs present here. So yeah, this was it. So these are some bugs I am facing. So I will just not recommend you to update to this version, the 12.0.2.0 version. The MIUI version is so buggy, and so I am soon going to unlock the bootloader. So the bootloader unlock video will be coming soon. I am going to unlock it tomorrow. So the video for the bootloader unlock on this Poco X2 is coming soon. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.